everyone, so welcome to our final project demo for 498. So this is our pet Tinder. So basically it's literally Tinder for pets, and of course it can also support user too. So as you can see, this is our front end. We have a reactive CSS animation, and we have a video in the back, login and register. So let's first register a user. Here we have a logic. If you have a duplicate, because we want to prevent duplicated user and password in our database, if you enter a user that has stored in our database before, you're not able to submit it. As you can see here, I click it really hard. Let's try a different user. For example, this one. Okay, register, successfully registered. By the way, if you go to dashboard now, it is not valid because you have no login now. Let's try to log in. Okay, successfully logging. Let's try to go to the dashboard. So in our dashboard, it's really straightforward. It's like a Tinder clone. We have our navigation bar. Please zoom in a little bit. There are 4 bottoms, which is our 4 main function too. We have our main bottom, explore, setting, and like. So in the backend, we use React router to connect it to different user. And let's first take a look at the like page. So this like page will record all the user that you have liked and matched. For now, you have no like because I just create my user and I didn't do anything to that. If I like some people in the main page, they're going to pop up some user here. So let's see whether it works. Let's go to the main page. So this is like a Tinder main page too, but I think it's for pets, and we add some really complicated filter here. The backend is going to use a RESTful API to pop up and send the front end a bunch of user. I think the number is about 10 user each time. We store it in the queue and we pop up in the front end by the first in first out queue. If you click like here, well, if you click like here, it's going to use Axios put to put this user ID into your personal MongoDB database so that the backend knows which people you like. If you like again, well, another like. And also you can click this like. Yes. Let's look at the filter here. For the filter, we have prefer gender, prefer minimum age, prefer maximum age, and species. So we can enter like dog. As you can see, I have already entered before. Submit it. So now all the users that recommended to you in the front end are the user who only have dog. For some people who have like Pikachu, they are not going to be here. And also, if you look at the like here, I believe there are some people here. Yeah, remember I clicked 3 like? So these are the 3 people I liked before. Now let's go to our second function, the explore function. The explore function is like a storyline. You can post like contents and articles here. We have pop 3 article, actually more than that here. For this is our title. We use a random word like A, B, C for testing, and this is our content. And if you hovered in this card, it's going to be larger. So this is a fancy animation effect that we want to make here. And what about, let's use this button to create a new story. So let's click lots of new stories. Let's scroll down. It should be here. Yes, it is there. These are the ones that I just created here. So these are stored in another table. We have 2 tables. The first one is the user table and the second one is the explorer table. And if you look at our third function setting, this is a complicated setting page here. We can upload a picture. For example, we can, sorry, it's a little bit slow. Let's find a picture. Yes. Yes. I just upload a girl picture. If you upload it, successfully upload. And here you can type in your name. And this is going to be a put request to the backend. As you can see, we can put in our pet location, pet information. We have fish, dog, cat, turtle, and these are going to be the entries that will be looked at when we are filtering it. If you submit it, it is in our backend. And finally here, there are a home and log off button, and this is going to be route you back to the home page, and if you log off, it's going to log off. One thing I want to mention is whether you can find a match. Since we have relatively small user, if you keep like clicking like, I believe there will be a match. There should be a match here. Yeah, you got a new match. This is an alert. So yeah, thank you for your time, and this is our 498 final project. We are really enjoyable during this process, and I think this is a valuable experience. Thank you.